Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to book now and pay later in Agoda. So what you're going to have to do is to simply choose and search for your hotels and homes, your transport or whatever you want to use Agoda to buy, and then simply open the listing. And then what you're going to have to do is to simply click on add to cart. Now after that, what you're going to have to do is to simply click on proceed to cart. And then here, as you can see, you're gonna have the price and everything. And then here you're gonna have to simply basically select this and then click on next. And after that, you're gonna have to simply wait. And then when you go here to payments, you're gonna be able to choose to pay later. So as you can see, you have here the payments and everything. And as you can see here, you can see what you can do, what you cannot do, and then simply click on final steps. As you can see here, you have payment information, and then here you should have the option to pay later. So as you can see, depending on your location and your country, you're gonna have this option here. So you're gonna have to simply click the payment method and select pay later. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.